We are using a CDC miniature light traps as a measure of house-seeking mosquito densities inside the rooms between the star and the stud children each night. We are measuring also as well the domestic flies density found inside the traditional homes and the star homes, and the trap we are using is a baited linseed trap which is placed at the kitchen during the daytime. And the outcome measure we are assessing here is the number of mosquitoes and domestic fly densities collected inside the star homes compared to the ones which we are getting from the traditional house. Mosquito and domestic fly collected in two houses typology were transported to the office where we do sortings into different species and statuses. Mosquito and flies count data were recorded in the data collection forms, and the data were entered in the computer. And the tool we are using to collect the data and to process our data are Microsoft Excel, which we use for data entry, microscope, we used for visualization of mosquitoes and domestic flies as well. And then we also use the identification keys of afrotropical mosquito species to identify mosquito to the species level. Also, we do have special smaller tubes, which we call it Eppendorf tube, which is filled with this desiccator, silica gel, for preserving mosquitoes before laboratory analysis. And also we do some assays in the lab, like polymerase chain reactions. This is an assay which can distinguish the species of mosquitoes which are closely related. And they also use enzyme-linked immunosorbent assays, ELISA, for detecting the presence of parasite in the malaria mosquitoes. And to do this work, we face some challenges. One of it is that sometimes we miss the households during the trap setting and retrieving, which led us to miss some data. Also, some families, they tend to tamper with the light trap during the night, which led to lacking accurate mosquito count on a particular night. Also, we do have some kind of minor technical fault with regards to traps and batteries. And lastly, some families sleep with their lights switched on, which seems to affect the efficiency of the light trap in collecting mosquitoes. And the mitigation we took forward to overcome these challenges, we did a lot of community sensitization on the value of putting the light trap inside their houses. Also, we do a proper checking of the light traps and as well as the battery before deploying them to the field, because to avoid the technical fault. And also we adjust in the time of trap setting and trap retrieving so that we avoid to miss the household at their homes.